Here are the parts you'll need to install the wall spacer kit. Begin by attaching the top and bottom spacer kit pieces to the side of your locker using the hex bolts and washers provided. Tighten with a ratchet until they are secure. Angle the front cover and hook the top tab into the slot of the upper frame. Push the cover in until it snaps into place on the lower frame. Install the provided screw into the lower frame to secure the cover in place. Repeat the process to install the wall spacer kit to the opposite side locker. Finish by installing the remaining wall cabinets between the lockers and securing them to the wall spacer kit using the provided hex bolts. Here are the parts you'll need to install the worktop side support tray. Begin by opening the locker doors and locating the upper holes on the side panel. Align the bracket holes with the holes on the side panel, making sure the tray sits flush with the back of the cabinet. The front of the side support tray should extend out to sit flush with the front of your locker door. Using the included hex bolt, lock nut, and 2 washers, attach the side support tray to the side of the locker cabinet through both bracket holes. If your worktop is sitting between 2 lockers, repeat the process for the opposite side locker. Lower your worktop onto the side support trays and attach using the number 8 5/8" wood screws. For extra stability, make sure you install the worktop wall supports that are included with your base cabinets into the wall studs beneath the worktop. Watch the video for instructions on installing the worktop wall supports. The worktop support leg can be used to support your worktop in many different configurations, from building a corner workstation or joining multiple worktops to supporting a worktop end without a locker. Start by inserting the adjustable leg posts into the leg assembly and securing each with 2 M8 hex bolts using the washers and lock nuts provided. Screw in the height adjustable threaded feet. Depending on your chosen configuration, you'll either attach the side support bracket or side support tray to the flat side of the worktop support legs using 2 hex bolts and washers with additional lock nuts for the side support tray. Set your worktop on a protected surface on the ground to prepare for installing the support legs to the worktop. For joining multiple worktops, align the support leg flush to the end of one of the worktops and attach with 3 number 8 5/8" Phillips head screws. To add the support leg to the end of a worktop where no locker cabinet will be used, set the worktop support tray flush beside the edge of the worktop. Attach the support tray to the worktop by screwing through the holes in the overlapping edge of the support tray. Using 2 people, carefully lift the worktop and leg support assembly and place it into position. Lift any additional worktops into place, onto the side support bracket or side support tray, and attach the worktop from underneath using the 3 number 8 5/8" Phillips head screws. Level your worktop using the height adjustable leveling feet, and install additional worktop wall supports into the wood studs at the back. Watch the video for instructions on how to install the worktop wall supports.